This is the Gotthard Base Tunnel, the path through the Alps. Join me as we explore how we built this magnificent structure.
The magnetic gradient is spiking near the ridgeline. We have a confirmed anomaly at sector 4. Copy that, marking coordinates now.
This layer here, the Permian-Triassic boundary is very clear.
I've got the sample secured, the Lithatches dissection.
This is 001, ready to pack. Roger that. Securing the lid now.
The lattice structure shows microfracturing here.
Correlated with the high saturation levels.
We should rerun the hardness test immediately.
This fault line here is critical. We need to adjust the trajectory immediately.
But the pressure from the water pockets below is too high.
All right, bring the load down easy, watch your spacing. We need that forklift moved out of the way now.
Lower the pressure on the feed, we're hitting a void.
Copy that. Reducing pressure now.
Gear check complete.
Secure the seismic sensors on level 4.
Copy that.
Make sure that rebar is secured tightly before we hit the main junction.
All right, bring the next yellow truck forward to Bay 3. Watch the chute, it's running hot.
Hose is connected. Open the valve slowly. Confirmed pressure at 50 psi.
Watch the swing on that load. Clear below. Clear below. Bring it left slowly. Easy now, bring it down slow. All right, hold it right there. Set it down gently and detach the chains. Cross-reference the manifest now. Bundle 4B, 25 count. The diameter is checking out at 20 millimeters. Everything seems to be in order here.
Acknowledged. We are clear for the next shipment on Concourse 7.
25 boxes of the resistors. And the capacitors are all accounted for. Yes, that matches the invoice.
Sample 4B, right? And next up is lot 5 aggregate.
The water pressure is stable, but we have a high vibration alert on screen 3. I'm slowing the belt.
Make sure that's fully tightened before we move on.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, it's set.
Perfect, let's check the next section.
.5, check. Angle is 45 degrees. Good, let's move on. Okay, this is cage 2, 45. Make sure you scan the barcode for tracking before it leaves the yard. The CNC alignment is within tolerance. Moving on to the hydraulic press brake. Pressure reading steady at 2000 psi.
The aggregate ratios look stable. We are clear to increase the mixing time by 10 seconds on line 3.
We have excessive wear on this flighting here. The clearance is too wide, causing buildup. We need to schedule a replacement soon.
We almost done with this section. Yeah, just got to clear this corner by the mixer.
Okay, checking the voltage at this terminal. Looks consistent. All systems are operating within the required parameters for stable plant operation.
Keep the speed steady. Now add the admixture slowly.
Okay, it's thickening up nicely now.
Perfect. Keep it mixing for another minute.
Are these the bits for the new site?
Yeah, just finishing cleaning them up now, making sure they're all accounted for.
All right, pressure looks stable on the main gauge.
Secure the coupling on the lower hose, it looks loose.
Nozzle clear, ready for operation.
All checks clear. Move the spools forward.
Control to Team 1, radio check, over.
Affirmative. All channels fully operational.
Channel 4 is stable. Readings look good.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Let's get this mounted before the next shift.
We need to move the drilling equipment to Section 4 by noon.
The geological data confirms that's the optimal path.
All right, let's coordinate the transport schedule now.
Look at the readout here. These coordinates don't match the projection points. We need to recalibrate before proceeding.
Steady now, easy in.
Confirmed depth. Ready for the next one.
Everybody out now! Go, hurry! We have to get clear!
We have significant fracturing here at the crown.
Noted. Check the tension bolts on the west side.
I'll finish this line here. Okay, I'll mark the circle right here for the anchors.
All right, easy back. You're clear on the right. Watch the wall on the left.
The pressure is currently at 350 bars. The transducer shows the internal structure holding firm.
The thickness looks good, maintaining current settings. Monitor the pressure levels closely.
सूची जसा माता है जज सब कैसे दुसरा छप्पो किसके भी गीत में असले दो नंबर जाता है दह
Bolt B12 is secure. Spacing is consistent with the design specifications. Let's move on to the next section.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Looks good from here. Keep coming down.
Hold the line steady. We're almost there.
All right, easy now. Looks aligned. Send it home.
Nice and smooth. Maintain the angle right there. Keep it steady.
All right, move to the next section. I need more studs up here.
Bring it back 10 more feet. Stop right there. Clear on this side.
Keep it straight, pull towards you. Okay, I'm pulling. Is this aligned? Yes, now smooth it out right here.
Align the vertical riser first. Then bring the elbow joint over so we can connect to the main drain.
Hey, right there, hit that spot again.
Yeah, I see it. It's coming off now.
Bring it down another foot. Watch your spacing on the corner. Okay, we're aligned. Hold it steady. The pressure is holding steady right at 50. Keep it coming slowly. Right. It's looking good up here. Just reached the marker. Okay, here's a hairline crack right here. Needs filling.
Check the alignment on Sector 4. Copy that, scanning now.
All right, hold it right there. Looks good. Sending the bolts home. We are secure.
Okay, center it right there. Hold it steady. Got it. Need the next bracket ready?
Align the wastewater pipe first, then secure the water supply line. Double check the torque on all the specialized fittings before moving on.
Watch the alignment on that drill. Hold it steady. Okay, I'm done here. We need another bracket right there. Okay, the lights are stable. According to the tablet, the output is slightly low on that fixture there. Let's adjust the settings from here.
All right, secure the panel, then run the diagnostic check on the phone.
Looks good. All green on this unit.
Section 3 is stabilized. Requesting clearance to move to Section 4.
Okay, bring it down slowly. A little more to the left. Looks good. Hand me the tying tool. Needs to come up another 10 millimeters here.
All right, slowly raising it now. Is that level?
Perfect. We are spot on.
There's a slight variation along this edge. It's pooling just enough to cause a crack later.
Make sure you get full coverage on the edges. That's where the cracking usually starts if it dries too fast. Okay, easy now. Bring it down just a fraction, steady, steady. All right, hold it right there.
Align that pad right there, make sure it's flush.
Yeah, I got it. Lower the press.
Gauge and inclination are confirmed. 0.0 millimeters deviation. We are clear to proceed.
Hold it steady right there. Make sure the alignment is perfect before you tighten the bolts.
Got it. Looks good from here.
This is a test of the emergency tunnel broadcast system. This is only a test.
We've installed the new control mechanism here. You just input the code and the hydraulic seals disengage, granting access to the parallel tunnel.
We have an overheat warning on Sector 4. Check the ventilation status immediately.
Running diagnostics now. The flow rate is stabilizing. It's back to amber.
Make sure you get the edges over there. We're almost through this section. It looks great.
Hard to believe we carved this out of the mountain.
It's a beautiful sight after all these months.
Indeed. A job well done, brothers.
We need a millimeter left. Steady, steady.
It's set. We have alignment. Okay, stable at 0.3 meters. Tension holding steady. All right, move it up another 5 meters. Watch the cabling on the left.
Got it. Rolling now.
Okay, recording this point now. Airspeed is holding at 14.5 meters per second. Pressure differential seems consistent with the last reading.
I'm seeing a slight deviation on the power grid status.
It's within tolerance levels, but monitor it closely.
Signals confirmed. Track cleared. Sequence initiated.
This is a system test. Please remain calm.
Team, listen up.
We're 30 seconds out. Prepare equipment for immediate deployment.
Status on casualties requested.
Control Center, this is Sector 4. Radio check, over.
Loud and clear, Sector 4.
Confirmed, thank you.
Reading at point 4, 13.2 kilovolts, current stable at 800 amps.
That's tight. Surface is flush.
Confirmed. Moving to the next one.
Let's see, cement content looks consistent, minimal variance in the sand ratio. The additives are showing clearly.
The SEM analysis confirms high quartz content in the first layer. Moving to porosity data now. Results indicate low permeability.
Look at this spike on the 9-Mashik sensor. We have a significant fluctuation in the eastern sector.
Is right. Look at the stress concentration right at the crown.
The simulation shows clear yielding. It correlates with the seismic data.
We should adjust them.
The spectrometer confirms the alloy composition. Carbon, manganese, and silicon levels meet the technical standards for corrosion resistance.
We have a solid connection. The impedance is reading 0.8 ohms.
Good. That's within tolerance for the lightning protection.
The stress amplitude here clearly shows the fatigue limit.
And the variance on the prototype suggests we need to review the load cycles.
Reading steady at 500 megohms on the red phase, moving to the yellow.
Methane 10 ppm. Injecting sample. Response factor is stable at 0.99. Disconnecting and moving to the next cylinder.
Look at the spikes around 200 megahertz.
It's consistent with the last reading. We should note the elevated noise floor here.
Running automated scan on the central nexus. Cross-referencing firewall data now. Wait, there's the vulnerability. Patching sector gamma immediately.
We need to address this ventilation spike immediately.
I'm running the optimization sequence now. Look, the consumption is already dropping.
Alert! Obstacle detected.
The readings here are well within the safe limits, Rudolph.
Good. I've logged the data point.
Wiring secure, neatly bundled. Seals intact, no degradation. Check. Moving to panel 4.
The model flagged this batch. The deviation on the pixel comparison is almost 7%.
It matches the signature from the previous run. We need to adjust the sensitivity.
Look at the spalling around this anchor point.
It's minor, but we should log the coordinates immediately.
Torque reached. That's 500 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Move to the next one. Checking the directional sign. Paint coating is uniform. Reflectivity is within parameters. Surface adhesion looks good. Fire extinguisher checked. First aid kit accessible. Path is clear. All protocols confirmed.
This is a test transmission within the Gotthard Base Tunnel. The PA system is fully operational.
Seal is airtight. Pressure response is good. Check complete. Control room, this is Alpha Team. Tap inspection successful. Flow rate is optimal, sample secured.
The signal quality just dropped on the rear
I
sensor.
see it. Vibration spiked briefly, but the temperature and speed are stabilizing now. We are still within acceptable limits.
Attention, this is an emergency. Remain calm and proceed to the nearest emergency exit following the green signs. Evacuate the tunnel immediately.
Move faster, keep low. Deploy the hose line immediately.
Everyone this way. Follow me to the exit.
Central command to all rescue units, hold position at junction 4. We have a ventilation issue in the main shaft.
Sir, the automated override isn't working. We need manual input for the fans.
The structural integrity metrics are showing consistent red flags here.
But the field reports from Q3 contradict that entirely.
The stress tests confirm structural integrity under peak conditions.
And the safety protocols, have they been fully audited against the new guidelines?
Yep.
Perfect.
Confirmed. Everything is working correctly.
Today, we officially announce the completion of the Gotthard Tunnel, ready for commercial operation.
Just a slight adjustment here. Perfect, the alignment is secure now.
Emergency phone test, Sector 4. Do you read?
We read you loud and clear, Sector 4. Test complete.
This hairline fracture wasn't noted in the last inspection.
We need to tag this wheel set immediately.
Move faster, we need to get them out.
This way, keep moving.
Pan left, tilt up slightly. Zooming in now, steady. Okay, alignment looks good. We have coverage.
It is finally complete. A remarkable achievement.
Indeed, Minister. This changes everything for transit.
We made it! Look at that, isn't it magnificent?
It's incredible. I can't believe we are finally going through.
Look at all the people waving. Bye.
Bye.
Yes, goodbye for now.
Lang lebe der Gotthard!
The new Lima Express is finally running.
Yes, and it departs from platform 5.
Clear the deck, bringing it down now.
Roger that, set it down slow.
Look, platform 7, that's us.
Okay, kids, grab your bags. Let's go.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the leather bag. And yes, this bowl is truly one of a kind. I'm telling you, this new route saves so much time. We'll be there before dinner.
Definitely. Look at this reading list.
Good morning. Would you care for some coffee?
Yes, thank you.
Certainly. And for you, sir?
Well, this is the life, isn't it? Great food and a great view, and the best orange juice.
You two are certainly enjoying yourselves.
We hope you enjoyed your journey. We will shortly be arriving at our destination. Please remember to take all your personal belongings with.
That was a smooth ride, wasn't it?
Absolutely lovely. Ready for lunch.
"57 kilometers long, that's incredible.
And the depth, almost 2.5 kilometers.
Excuse me, would you mind taking a quick picture for us?
Happy to. All right, everyone say tunnel.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
There they are, right on time.
Yes, grab the handle on this one, dear. Zermatt, yes. Then across the northern area, wait. If I go through Interlaken, I can see both. Perfect.
I can't believe how fast the Gotthard Tunnel was. We saved so much time.
I know, right? It was incredibly smooth, too. Cheers to Swiss engineering.